Hello, I am Madhu. I am a twin flame divine masculine. In this video, I just want to thanks my 100 subscriber. It made me feel so happy because when I started making video, I was so scared because it was the first time I was doing it. It was not a very common thing for me, but there was just a desire that I wanted to bring in the wisdom, the right wisdom, so that you can make your twin flame journey easy. That's what is all my purpose. Because I just made it easy by doing the mirror exercise. Just by doing the mirror exercise, you can heal everything that is bothering you currently, and you can attract your harmonious union, you can attract your life purpose, you can attract all your abundance and everything. I have done that, and the only purpose of making this video is to make you or to show you that it is possible. It is possible easily. And as I will be moving towards my harmonious union, and I will be constantly sharing on my journey, I want to demonstrate how easily it will how easy it is going to be to come into harmonious union. And it is real, right? So the moment you choose to have that harmonious union in the physical life, how divine support your journey. So that's what it is. And thank you very much that you are liking my videos, and your comments are precious for me. I put all my best effort to respond back to the comments, and I have posted my free consultation link. If you want to just start your journey to more about Jeff and Shilia's work, how they are giving the harmonious union to couples, to the twin flame couples. There have been a lot of harmonious union that has been happened with the teaching of Jeff and Shilia. So you can always follow this teaching, and you can make your life easy, like make your harmonious union easy. uh, that's all. And it's always good that how you can understand, because it's a human mind, right? You need to understand things, you want to gain that knowledge, right? So you will get all that wisdom, and when you get that wisdom, you become more powerful, because that wisdom stays with you, right? And then you become master of the situation. You no more a victim of the situation, you master the situation. That's what you do. Okay, so I will keep going making videos, and I will just be thankful for you coming and watching my videos. That actually inspires me, and I can just request you go ahead and share, and it will just help me to bring in more knowledge and keep going making the videos. And that's all. You made me feel really connected with you, and I also understand like how your journeys are with all your questions, and that also helps me, because I also am able to see different perspective of twin flames, because every twin flame has a unique journey. So there is always a unique perspective to everyone's journey. So when you connect with me, uh, I get that aspect of universe, and that makes me more happy, because I am able to see how divine is expressing through your journey. So that makes me more closer to know God, and to understand how life can be transformed by universe. And I have always been curious about how universe works, and how we are connected. We know that we are extension of it, we know that we are being taken care by the divine. But when the awareness come, when I understand this, and when I see this physically, that actually takes me to a point of realization, right? And that's what I am seeking on my journey. Like, it's all about self realization. The more I am realizing myself, I am becoming more and more powerful. And when you connect and with yourself and you connect with universe, you will realize that power within you. You are powerful, and I am blessed that I am connected with you. Thank you.